there's some detail in the story. So I'll probably tell you that one after lunch. But anyway, that's cold foot does have something to do with getting cold feet, either metaphorically or literally. Okay, so coming up right here, we have the junction with the Dalton Highway. We're going to curve around here. We're just going to go straight through the intersection. If you wanted to stay on the Elliott, you would take a left-hand turn. And you could go another 80 miles on a road that's actually worse than the Dalton to a village called Manly Hot Springs. Or you could take a side road that goes to the south to go to this village called Minto. Minto is a 10-and-a-half Alaskan village, about 350. Manly is about 150 people. Fairly standard sized villages for interior Alaska. Alright, and here's Dalton Highway, gravel. Miles an hour for 416 miles. At least you don't need to worry about thinking what the speed limit is. In practice, we go less than 50 miles an hour in almost all cases. Sometimes the truckers go faster. At the very end of the Dalton Highway, the last 58 miles going into Dead Horse, is actually the best road of the Dalton Highway, and you are tempted to go over 50 there because it's actually flat, it's paved, it's actually very nice. But other than that, I rarely feel like I'm in a position to go more than 50. Usually I have to go quite a bit slower than that. You might have already figured out that acceleration going uphill is not the forte of these coaches. Up ahead, we're going to stop at the Dalton Highway sign. Northbound little tour bus exiting Dalton Highway, 1 mile at the sign. All right. Some work vehicles here. All right, so quick little photo stop